Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
When these clients first came to us, they had a classic 80s contemporary house. They wanted to move away from that and give it a little more modern flair. We did that by transforming the exterior with new siding, new roofing, and this gorgeous new outdoor patio on the back. So one of the ways we were able to transform this home to give it a modern flair was by changing the roof lines. There were definitely some tricky things to think about this on the back, but this gorgeous vault on the end just gives it a truly modern look. So the addition of this screened-in porch is almost 40 feet long. It's really nice space to have your coffee in the morning or enjoy a nice evening. When you get a screened porch, a lot of people are really concerned about visibility, but as you can see, the view is completely unobstructed with the new screens. When trying to make a conversion of a style of a home going to modern, you've got to think about all of the details. One of the details on this new deck was the railing. Instead of a conventional railing, we utilized a cable rail. The combination of black aluminum and the stainless steel is the perfect touch. So as with all construction projects, this one had a couple challenges to overcome. One of those was these folks had just had all this landscaping done with these gorgeous pavers and nice stepped walkway coming around the home. We didn't want to interfere with that, and then we didn't want to redo it, so we designed around that. Another challenge we found was once we laid out the deck, we realized that there was a septic interference. You can't put columns and things over the septic system, so we were able to engineer a steel beam that cantilevered and still give them the size project they wanted without having to trim it down. When it comes to the finishes and details, there are always lots of options. On this, for wrapping the posts, there were so many directions we could have gone, but the cedar gives a nice, beautiful accent to this dark gray siding.